Conductivity and temperature sensor transmitter. This sensor measures the conductivity and temperature in water and automatically transmits the data to the user's preset time interval. This provides an indication of the well-being of the water quality. Used in conjunction with RF Solutions RIoT-Hub. The user can view the conductivity and temperature levels in real time on a smartphone or PC via internet anywhere in the world.